Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today's topic will be creating an Add to Cart button or email link within the PayPal system. My name is Brian Allen and I am the President and CEO of Expert5, Affordable Business Services. Alright, what I would first ask you to do is to log in to your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, you should come to a screen that looks something like this. If you look towards the top, you're going to see a tab that says Merchant Services. Do me a favor and click on that tab. We'll arrive to this page here, and I'd like you to look towards the center of the page. You're going to see a little column where there's a header that says Create Buttons. Go ahead and click on that first option there. It says Add to Cart. That should bring us to this page here. This is like the button creation page. Just to make sure we made this the correct selection, let's come on down a little bit where it says choose a button type. The words shopping cart should be in there. If they're not, use that little drop down arrow to the right of those words and make your selection so that way it does show shopping cart. After we do that, look at this highlighted area. This is going to be your item name. So go ahead, click in there and type in the name of your product and or service. Now you notice we moved right down to price. We are going to skip a few of these options because we're creating a basic button or a basic email link. So click in there, activate that, and then enter in a numerical value. That's going to be your dollar amount. We're going to leave the currency set to the US dollar since we're in the United States. We're also going to leave these customized button boxes alone. That would be for people who are creating maybe different colors of products. So let's say you're selling roses, you might have red, yellow, pink roses, things of that nature. You could use these buttons here. Or if you were selling t-shirts, you could have small, medium, large, extra large. You could have your different sizes. But we're just going to keep it very simple. We're going to skip the shipping and tax. Come on down to where it says Step 3, Customize Advanced Features. Click on that. That's going to expand this box in this window here. Hopefully your web designer has created two different pages within your website with two very specific functions. The first one is going to be an order cancellation page, and the other one is going to be a thank you for ordering page. The reason why you want your web designer to create both of those pages is so that way, whichever one is going to be necessary throughout this process, your customer or potential customer and client get redirected back into your site and they don't wind up on a default PayPal page. Okay, so let's look at this one that's highlighted here. Go ahead and check that box and then enter in the URL to the page within your website where people who have canceled their orders should be redirected. Next, you'll want to go ahead and click on this box right here, and that's going to be the URL for the page within your site where we thank people for ordering with you. Hopefully this is pretty simple so far. Next, you're going to want to come down to the bottom and click Create the Button, which is going to bring us to our coding page. Okay. Now when this page opens up, PayPal has it set up to where it defaults to that website tab. What I want you to do to make it very simple on us is to click on the email tab. Once you're there, hopefully you're looking at a screen similar to this. From there, all you're going to see is a link. It's a URL or a link for your product. This is going to be saved within your PayPal account now that it's been created. The only way to get rid of it is for you to go in and delete it. So that's a good thing. Alright, click on Select Code. It's going to turn it all blue. Then use the copy function. And you can copy this and email it to a couple different people. You can either email it to a potential customer or client so that way they can pay for the services via email. Or you can email this to your web designer so that way he or she can actually use this as a link on graphics within your website. This is a very easy way to create buy buttons and build a little shopping cart within your website without actually embedding large amounts of code, creating tables, and doing things like that. So Either email this to your web designer, make sure you tell them what it is in the subject line, or you can email it to a potential client or customer. Now, see where it just highlighted here? It says create a view cart button. A lot of websites have the view cart button, and I'm sure you've seen that before. So click on that, and that brings you to this page right here. Go ahead and leave all these options just as they are in the default, and click Create Button. That brings us to a new coding page. Again, I want you to click on the Email tab, click on Select Code, just turn to blue, then you're going to use your copy function, and again, go ahead and put this in an email, send it off to your web page designer, that way he or she can create a view cart button on your website. Alright, that was it. Pretty short, sweet, and simple. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you should ever have a need for affordable website design for your small business, please visit us at www.expert5.org. Check out what we have going on. Our prices are right there on the website. And then if you need a quote for any type of special projects, shoot me an email and hopefully we can help you out with your project.